Welcome to the Oasis. Today we'll be talking about animal nutrition. All animals, including humans, need food to meet their nutritional and caloric needs. There are macronutrients and micronutrients, which all animals need to obtain through their diet so their bodies can use as building blocks and to perform varying functions. When selecting food, the animal's intent is to achieve the correct amount of macronutrients and micronutrients, so they are able to consume enough calories to fuel them for their daily needs. As an animal parent, it is very important to understand your animal's dietary needs. We look to the wild animal kingdom as this is where their roots remain and what nature still and always will intend for them to be vital and healthy. Proteins are used to provide tissues and cells structure to be able to form feathers, fur, muscles, tendons, ligaments, blood cells, and enzymes. As you may have observed, a wild animal's body is more prone to wear and tear or even injury. That being said, having enough protein intake for repair is very important for wild animals. Carnivores and omnivores get their protein from meat. Omnivores and herbivores use plants to get their protein intake. In the wild, animals consume plant matter like fruits, stems, leaves, roots, honey, and milk to get their carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates include long chain of sugars like starches called polysaccharides and simple sugars themselves, which is used as an energy source. They can access sugar glucose from the carbohydrates that are stored in the body to be used when needed. Animals use glucose as rapid energy source to fuel their quick reflexes when needed in survival mode, also known as fight or flight response. In human society, fat is known as a bad word to us. However, it is crucial for our survival. Fat is much needed and very important in all animals as it is a component of their cell membranes, protects their vital organs, and lubricates their joints. It also performs as a very good insulation for animals in cold winter months or cold climates. It also helps animals survive if they must spend long periods of time without food. This rings true for animals that hibernate as well. Their stored fat becomes an energy source for them. Omnivores and herbivores get their fats from seeds and nuts, while carnivores get their fats from meat. Bears will consume salmon, which is a fat-rich source for them, which is important since they are hibernators. Animals require a small amount of vitamins and minerals, which is why they are considered micronutrients. Even though they only need tiny quantities of vitamins and minerals to keep them healthy, they are vital in an animal's well-being. Vitamins are needed for normal growth and is used as coenzymes, which are molecules that help create needed chemical reactions in the body. This is an important point which we are all aware of what can happen in vitamin deficiencies. If a coenzyme is missing, the chemical reaction won't take place properly or not at all. As for minerals, they play an important role in the body structure like proteins. Minerals support the inner bone and some can function as coenzymes. They help control what goes in and out of the cell, meaning the cell membrane permeability, including nerve transmission, regulating fluid balance, the acid-base balance of the body, help with muscle contraction, including pumping of the heart, protein metabolism, and energy production. It is important to keep in mind that vitamin and mineral deficiencies are a contributing factor in a long range of health problems in animals, including humans. Thank you for being here today and taking the time for the well-being of your animal. If you'd like to book a consultation, feel free to contact me. And don't forget to like our channel and hit the like button.